Today I'd like to show you our Smart AC Controller. Smart AC Controller is Matter certified with an elegant, modern design. It's extremely easy to install and can be replaced in just 3 simple steps. Modern design, you would like this. It is highly compatible, supporting 99% of mainstream AC brands on the market. It works with Apple Home, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, SmartThings, Tuya, Acra, Gerlsair app, KX. We are factory, we can support OEM. For more information, feel free to message me on WhatsApp QL 18,870. Looking forward to cooperating with you.